Mommy, Daddy, Tio, Fanny.
Good morning, guys! It's almost noon time. Ano na nga parang 11:55 a.m. So, kakatapos kumain, kakatapos mag-play, and now we're going up to chill. Look at Mama's room. Come here. Show them your Mama's room. Ta-da!
Gosh,
Look at Mama's room.
gosh, tissue.
Ay, mga binay mo.
What's this?
Shave.
Shape. What's this?
Cotton buds.
Bye.
Shampoo. Yan, may mirror siya. Hindi niya alam yan.
This shampoo.
Here. This one.
Iron.
Now we're going to our room. Look. Our messy room. Nalinis ko na kahapon. Madumi na naman. Then look at our, pinagin ko siya. Pero, paano ba to? Paano ba sa ilalim to? Hindi naman ginagawa niya kasi. Kahit linis ko lang linisin, kakalat siya ng kakalat. Stop crying. Come on, get the gift. Where's your gift for Mama? Ayun o. Ayun o. Yan. Oh, come here. Put it here.
A stick.
Check. Oh, don't get it. Don't get it. Oh, come here. Nakabukas na dahil sinira niya yung sticker dyan. Ayan. So, di ka dito. Sit down.
Mommy.
Oh, write muna tayong happy birthday kay Mama.
Tio first.
Hold properly. Hold properly. And then, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kanino? Mama. Mama. Say hi. Hi. What's your name?
Mama.
Tio.
Oh, Tio.
Oh, that's your name. Para alam ni Mama. Love you. I love
I see you too.
you. Okay. Oh. Look, guys. Put it down.
Me.
Oh, let's put it inside here. Put it inside here. Ay, huwag mo na sulatan. Oh, put mo inside here. Yan, paper. Put mo inside sa gift mo.
See?
Put mo inside the gift. Ito. Yan. Oh, put mo yung paper inside. This one.
This?
Yes, put it here. No, this one. Get this one and then put inside. Okay. Good
This
job.
one.
You're right na. Ito naman ba?
Mama, say, Mama, paano?
I told you. Here kasi, oh. You need to hold it properly. Okay. Ayos mo, matutusok ka ng pencil. Be careful.
Oh, mommy.
Be careful with your pencil. There's another paper.
No. Here.
Enough, pwede ka na dyan eh. Ito na lang, oh, dyan. Sulat ka na dyan.
Like this.
Yan.
Ma. Mama.
Mama! Is that mama?
Don't mommy. Don't mommy.
Oh, draw mami.
Oh, sayang.
Sayang.
Oh.
Nako, show mo sa kanila yung gift mo. For mama. Show mo. Hi guys, ito yung gift namin for mama.
Where's other?
Ayan. Guess.
Other
Shirt.
one. Where's other?
There's only one. Ito yung paper natin. Ayan. Balik natin ito. Paint ko ulit. Lagay daw namin sa kulungan. Here you go.
Where's mama?
Here, put it there. Here you go. That's a kiss gift for mama. What will you say? Oh no, I need to get this. Babe, come here.
Where?
This one, I need to get this.
This one?
No, don't touch it.
This?
Ito yung,
This one?
ano nito, this.
This?
Alas 2 na. Kakatapos na mag-lunch. And now, magkapaligo na tayo. Ay, kapoy ba? Ang kulit ng bata.
Ano?
Akin na yun, akin na.
What's this?
Later na yun, after mo take a ano niya siya? Naano ko na yun. Again.
Look at me.
Good afternoon, guys! Lalabas kami para mag-dinner.
Bang bang.
Daddy,
Bang bang bang.
para hindi ka lang masaya, Dad.
Tosgas na naman.
That's
Si boss. Tosgas si boss, sabi mo kyo.
That's a boss.
Sahod naman. Ngayon lang.
Bang juice. Bang.
Huwag na. Huwag muna tayo.
Palabas na. I will call someone. I will call someone. I will call Lola.
Big do. Big do.
Oo, wait lang.
Big do. Big.
Ayun o, nagbibideo si mami oh.
Ati
Oh,
open.
ito sa'yo.
Ayun o, mag-video ka.
That's hello guys.
Guys.
Mag-video ka, sige.
Akin na.
Monet.
Thank you dog.
Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Let's pindot tayo.
Huwag mong pindot.
Daddy look.
O, mag-hi ka. Hi vlog.
I put dun.
Hawak mo na lang.
That's the standard tayo.
Turn off mo na yan. Lola, si Isip po ito.
Dad.
Anak ni Monet ka.
Titi. Dada. Hi.
Tinatakpan mo naman yung camera.
Hi.
Yan, try natin dyan. Sana masarap. Go! Dahil pa na-invite natin sila JR. Bakit ay lugi? Kahit si Jun lang.
Ayun!
Titingnan mo siya.
Hindi naman ganyan yan eh. Use your hand na lang.
Kaya kumain, no? Kaya pa? Ikaw?
1 round pa lang eh.
Pangalawang order pa lang namin to. After 2 order,
Dalawa lang tayo ito.
unang order, tapos yung pangalawa, wala na. Atak to. Nag-request. Burger steak. What do you want? You need to wait for your burger steak. Come here. Here. Bahay na. He's eating again. Ng burger steak. Ay, naku, this kid. Kasi, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, eat ka ng adobo?
Dobo.
Opo, you said you want Jollibee.
Divey. What divey?
You want Jollibee?
Opo.
Oh, eat me properly, baby.
Ate.
Ay, sabi ko, ba't may yellow ka? Naka-akit na kami. Naligo na siya.
Ako na punta dun.
Get some. Get the sticker and then put it there.
Maput. Dun.
Oh, go.
Nami pulit.
You put it.
Oh.
Put mo sa cone, no? Put mo sa cone. Mabahalo ko ka na eh. May wag siyang utusan eh. Dad, baka natapon na yung tubig mo?
Wala, di kami makaboard.
Like 1 microcentimeter. And something that big could